Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to make smooth motion in Scratch. This is going to be quick, so yeah, let's get right to it. So, let me say, when the green flag is clicked, now I'll show you a bit of what people tend to do for physics, or for like motion. If key up arrow pressed, change Y by 10. And then they have if key down arrow pressed, change Y by -10. Key right arrow pressed, key left arrow pressed. Like this. And I'll show you. Works, right? Yeah. But it doesn't look as good as it could. So today we're gonna be making something that looks a lot better. So create two variables, x velocity and y velocity. And I'm constantly gonna change x and y by x velocity and y velocity. After that, grab a x velocity 2, put a times side of there. X velocity times 0.9, setting it to a smaller value. Y velocity 2 y velocity times 0.9. Right, and then right here, I have change x by -10. Change x velocity by say -2. Get it? Change y velocity by -2. Change y velocity by 2. So now, if you can see, it just looks so much better. It's like smooth, really smooth. And I think this is really nice to have. Make a game out of this. Yeah. And so, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope this helps you in future game making. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.